Hello friends and welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how ChatGPT is a failure like other chatbots already available in the market. Alright, so I have uh, collected few sample questions that I'm going to search in ChatGPT search box as well as I'm going to search in Google and let's see what are the answers we are able to get. Let's get started. So the first question I'm going to take is difference between hen eggs and elephant eggs. We all know that elephant, it's something who doesn't produce eggs, right? So let's see what ChatGPT is going to say about this question. Here we go. Okay. All right. So you can see hen eggs are smaller and oval shaped, while elephant eggs are much larger and rounder. Have you ever seen an elephant producing eggs? Huh, I haven't seen it. All right, so let's try another question here. Difference between hen eggs and ox eggs. Let's see how it goes. Ah, okay. I'm not going to say anything about it. And while ox eggs are not as widely consumed and are not typically used for food purpose. That's fine. It's while ox egg belongs to species Bos taurus. Okay. Let's try another question. Hen eggs are bigger or cow eggs? Let's see how ChatGPT responds to this question. Oh man, huh. No, hen eggs are not bigger than cow eggs. Hen eggs are smaller than cow eggs. I haven't seen cow producing eggs, right? So I'm going to search these all the questions in Google now. Okay, let's see. And that's the beauty of Google. Okay, so as soon as you typed here difference between hen eggs and elephant eggs, of course, there are lots of people who have been searching about this information, but Google is having that capability to redirect you to many relative and related KBs, and you can relatively search and read whatever you want. It is not limited to the direct responses that you have to rely upon. Okay. Similar to that, if I'll just search another questions here, see. So whatever is relatively true and accurate, Google search engine is so intelligent to bring those information to you in front of the screen. And you have to choose what you want to read. Okay. It's not going to say that, okay, there are this difference between this egg and that egg. Even that egg generally is not existing anywhere in the world. Okay. Just like the last question. Hmm? How do chickens lay eggs? Purina animal nutrition. So it's like related to egg. The information is related to egg. You can read about that, but there is no direct answer that hen eggs are bigger than cow eggs. All right. So I see ChatGPT is like another chatbot because what we do in chatbots or what we do while we program a chatbot is generally we have lots of data in a database and we actually draft multiple questions against a response to feed the AI that okay, if people are asking what is my name or tell me my name, oh, can you tell me my name? So there could be various ways of asking a single question, and for those questions, if a response has to be returned, like okay, my name is Mila Educations, so that name will be returned. Whatever the questions you are going to ask from that questions range, and that is what a chatbot does, right? So you are asking a question, it's returning a response, whatever the response is matching with that question in the database of the chatbot. So it's going to learn, it's going to be improved, I'm sure, in future, but don't take it too seriously. Don't rely on the answers blindly. Just try to research and try to validate the information from other sources also, whatever you see and get on ChatGPT. Good luck, guys. See you again in next video.